Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to achieve this pocket design. It is very simple. All right, please do not miss any part of this video. Watch to the end. All right, I'm going to share a secret on how to achieve these beautiful designs. Okay, so sit back and watch this video till the end. You will not regret. All right, if you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe. It gives me morale. Please don't forget to share this post with others. Without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. This is our pocket interface. The material we'll be using is a pocket interface. All right, I ironed it to the piece of fabric I will use for my pocket. The width of my pocket interface is 5 inch as seen, and the length is 6¾ The length is 6¾ All right, all we just need to do is we take our iron and we iron this. Take it wood. Use your pressing wood to smoothen it. All right, and then the corners fold your corners of your pocket. Apply a pressing pieces. Apply your pressing pieces, and then make sure you don't iron directly on the fabric. Use pressing pieces. As you can see, it's beautiful. All right, our next step is to produce the design that is here. All right, for our design, make use of 1¾ inch. Okay, and then this is the wrong side of the fabric. All you just need to do is to fold, so that when we fold, we achieve half at the end. Okay, by folding, we measure from here to here, we achieve half at the end. Once I'm through, I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, I folded it. Okay, to make it smooth, you put a hemming gum. Okay, just insert a hemming gum here. All right, and you iron. Once I'm through, I'll show you. All right, as you can see, I'm through. Okay, and so the next step is this. Please pay attention to this. Okay, all you just need to do is to make it this way. All right, you can put a hemming gum in between to make it stay. All right, I will insert a hemming gum here. Hemming gum. All right, for tutorial sake, I'm using hemming gum, but please do well to stitch. You can take it to your machine and you stitch properly. Okay, stitch properly. For tutorial sake, I'm using a hemming gum. All right, and so for now it's okay. Okay, so all we just need to do is watch. Okay, and iron. Use your pressing wood to make it stay. All right, now, okay, I want you to pay attention. Here we desire 1 inch. In between here we desire 1 inch. Okay, so make sure that it does not exceed 1 inch. Right, this is 1 inch. You go to this same side and you iron. And finally on this side, please do not forget 1 inch is what we are interested in. Okay, 1 inch, that's our desired space. As you can see, we are through with this design. And so the next one will be the other design. All right. All we just need to do is to fold and make sure from here to the second folding should be 1 inch. Okay. The second folding should be 1 inch. Once I'm through folding, I'll show it to you. All right. As you can see, I'm through folding. Look at it. I'm through folding both sides to give me 1 inch. And there are two pieces. Okay. Two pieces. All right. And so all we need to do is um, we can put a hem stay. Okay, insert a hem stay here, right, to make it stay, or we can decide to create that sharp point that you can see on the design, right? But for tutorial sake here, I will start with the sharp point. All I just need to do is to eliminate this a bit. Okay, and so please pay attention, watch closely. What we're going to do is just fold, fold, and then watch me. Okay, watch it. All right, fold again, fold this way. Please, if you are having an issue with this, please go over the video again. All right, and it will be clear to you. All right, we've done it. And so you can put hair stay, okay, or hemming gum to glue it properly to the fabric. And so I'll put I'll show you. All right, as you can see, I'm through. So all we just need to do is take your design, all right, this other part, not the sharp part, this part, place it here, and okay, depending on the size of your pocket, as you can see, we are having excess here. Well, I think I'll reduce it a bit better. Okay, and so all I just need to do is to cut this excess away. Okay, you can glue this to it. Just apply hemming gum and it will do the job for you. Please, if my video has been of help to you, don't forget to click on like, drop a comment at the comment section. It helps me, it gives me morale to do more. All right, I want feedback on this, how much I have impacted on you, okay, with this tutorial. So please feel free to send me a feedback by dropping your comment at the comment section. Okay, do the same here, do the same here. I'll advise you to measure. Okay, for tutorial sake, I did not measure, but it's when you want if you want your work to be perfect, neat, accurate, make sure you measure. Here it is 2.5. I should add 2.5 here. Okay, 2.5, 2.5. And so you cut the excess as usual. adjust. Don't forget to cut the excess. All right, as you can see, our design is almost through. This is the front part, and so wow. Okay. Now, in this tutorial, you see that this, as you can see, is not of the same size, and so all you just need to do is to shorten it, take it back, shorten it, and all right, as you can see, I'm true. Please make ensure that this is equal. I'm using 2 1/4, 2 1/4 both side, okay, to give you a neat work. All you just need to do, this is the upper part of your pocket, just place it, okay, at the middle. All right, all you just need to do is you place a button here and you place a button here. All right, as you can see, our beautiful design is out. Place a button here, tack a button there, and ta-da! This is our design pocket. Please, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe. If you have not hit the like button, please hit the like button and drop your comment at the comment section. I will be there. If you have any question, please drop a feedback. I want to know how I have impacted on you positively, right? So that I can work on myself more. And please don't forget to share this video on your social media account. Share this link on your social media account. I see you in our next video. Bye bye.